Hello friends, welcome back to the my video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix network problem on Vivo phone device. Friends you want to fix and friends you want to solve your network problem on your Vivo phone device. So how to fix and how to solve today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends open your Vivo phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Vivo phone. So how to fix and how to solve network problem. So when first of all open your Vivo phone system setting. System setting, after on friends you can see there are many settings. System navigation friends you can on from here you can use. Friends you want to change language on a Vivo phone friends, you can change language from here. Friends date and time you can set up from here. So friends we'll click on reset option. Click on reset option. Friends you can see reset setting, click here. As you can see this will reset all network setting including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth setting. So friends you want to reset your settings, means you want to fix your problem, your network problem, Bluetooth network problem, Wi-Fi network problem, you can solve, you can fix from here. Guys tap here, please wait. After 4 and 5 seconds guys your setting will reset, and guys now you can use guys your Vivo phone, your network setting, and you can use your Bluetooth setting, you can use your Wi-Fi setting guys without any network problem. So guys I will on with Wi-Fi setting. So which network guys you want to connect, select network, enter password, and guys you can connect this network on your Vivo phone device without any problem. So like that guys we can use network reset setting on Vivo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.